So in this workshop, just now I say you one machine which can make it shiny and it's not good for men. This machine, okay? So you can see now, you can see this product. Okay, from here, this product which after hand polishing.
Okay.
Coffee machine, okay? So you can see. You can see it's very dirty. But after made and come out from the machine, you can see it's very shiny now. It's not come inside. So when you go out, you will see it's very shiny because this machine should remove the oil, the wax away. When you do the hand polishing, they have many wax on the surface. This machine to clean the wax away and make it shiny.
This is ultrasonic.
Ultrasonic. Yeah, ultrasonic. 电梯里，把它反入机那个流程那里有的。I show you. Now this one, this machine.
涂蜡手工抛的就要上路机。
不是，然后再过来那个三路清洗。So let's see here, hand polishing. By machine and then here this machine Trichloro
Ethylene.
Trichloro it's cleaning. Yes. Now let's wait because need some time. 师傅，一次要多久？等多久才出来？
也是啊。不用等多久，很快的。那个水温不够了，我把它关。那个间歇性，高温了就关，低温了就要升。
刚才水温不够了。
这是间隔。
那我们要等多久水温能升起来？
也就是1秒做
1秒钟做一筐一次。那现在水温还要等多久才能起来？
水温
现在是16度。
现在是
58度
要70度以上。
70度以上。Why now the technician didn't do anything for this basket?
70呢，这个就退不掉。
He said because we must wait for the temperature until 70. If lower than 70, the wax on the cooler cannot be clean. 那我们还要等多久呢？I asked the technician how long time we should wait until the 70 degrees. Because he said should wait for the temperature until 70 degrees, then she can start to do. Otherwise, the wax on the cooler cannot be cleaned well. This is because this is an old machine, cannot control the temperature fully automatically. If the temperature is more than 18, it's not good also. So must do the job between 70 to 18. That is why now he's waiting. So now he's checking, but I think it's not good result. Should wait for, but we can see. Okay. 没有除干净，对，没有除干净。So you see, it's not clean. Why? Because they are still some dirty.
它温度水还没够。